I know what I'm about to say might sound strange. It might make you uncomfortable. You might even want to stop listening right now. But I'm asking you, don't. Because this isn't fiction. It's not conspiracy. It's engineered reality. And it's happening to you right now. Your phone isn't just listening. It's teaching. It's shaping. It's rewriting the way you think. Every tap, every scroll, every tiny vibration. They're not accidents. They're signals. Signals that train your brain to crave, to react, to need. You think you're using your phone? It's using you. They've studied your mind, how you focus, how you feel, how you fall into loops. And they built systems to pull you in deeper, not to help you, to keep you. Every notification hits like a spark of pleasure, a drop of dopamine, the same rush that keeps gamblers at the table. You never know what's next, and that uncertainty is the hook. They call it engagement. But what it really means is addiction. You check your phone again, and again, and again. Not because you choose to, because your brain needs to. They say you're the customer. You're not. You're the product. You're the experiment. And the experiment worked. Your attention span, shrinking. Your focus, fragmented. Your emotions, hacked. Because when you're angry, afraid, or outraged, you stay online longer. And that means profit. So the algorithms feed you fear, conflict, division. They show you what will keep you scrolling, not what will keep you whole. You start to believe the world is darker than it is. You start to forget how to sit still. You start to lose the silence where your true thoughts live. This is not your fault. You're not weak. You're up against thousands of the smartest engineers on Earth, paid to make sure you can't look away. But you can fight back. You can take your mind back. Here's how. Delete one app. Turn off one notification. Put your phone away during one meal. Go outside without a screen in your hand. Look at the sky, not the feed. Look at someone's face, not the display. Listen to your own thoughts again. You'll feel the pull, that anxious itch to check. That's not you, that's programming. Breathe through it. Each time you resist, the code weakens. Each time you pause, you take back power. This isn't about hating technology. It's about reclaiming control. Because your mind is not for sale. Your focus is not a commodity. Your presence is not a product. Wake up. Log out. Look up. Take back your time. Take back your thoughts. Take back your life. Because freedom isn't something they'll give you. It's something you choose. One decision. One moment. One breath at a time.